For all of us, money is a very close to heart concept. We get fascinated by gaining more money, and we face depression and anxiety when we lose money. Hence, it is important to take our investments more seriously to avoid feelings of depression and anxiety. We have already discussed how to earn money through 7 cures in our previous video. If you want to know more about these 7 cures, then we have given a link of that video in the description. Klassen has given us 5 laws of gold which describes the do's and don'ts of investment. So let's get started. The first one is invest a savings wisely. Basic thing we require for investment is money, and we can acquire that money by saving 1/10 part of our earnings consistently. If we invest that money wisely, then there is nothing which can stop us from earning more and more money. The second one is finding profitable investment. To become wealthy, we need to make money our employee, and this can be possible when we find profitable investment opportunities. So grab such opportunities and multiply your money. The third one is expert advice. Whenever we decide to invest our money, the first thing that comes to our mind is, what if I lose my money? Hence, it is important to secure our money while doing investment, and this can be possible when we take consultation from experts in investment. They are the only one who can guide us in how to invest, where to invest for the safety and profits. The fourth one is get familiar with your investment. As we know how much money is important to us, then why don't we make ourselves knowledgeable about our investment? Investment without proper knowledge may turn into losses because of imperfect judgment. On the other hand, if we get familiarized with our investments, we will be able to analyze them properly, also it will attract more profits. The fifth one is don't get tempted by alluring schemes. Money is a fascinating concept, and many of us get tempted by the alluring investment schemes to multiply our money fastly. In the thrill of gaining more and more money, we keep aside our wise attitude, and most of the time we face losses. Therefore, always be alert and wise while investing your money. Analyze them, take advice from an expert consultant, and then only invest your money. How to lend your money wisely? Money lending is also a type of investment. While lending money, we need to keep some points in our mind. You must be thinking why we are discussing private lending. We have many financial institutions which provide various kinds of loan with adequate interest rates. But do you know, if we observe properly, we can see such kinds of lending is still taking place around us. There are many reasons people prefer private lending, like urgent fund requirements, loan eligibility, income, etc. Hence it is important to have some knowledge about private lending. Sometimes private lending occurs between friends, family members, or familiar people. In such a situation, always remember that if you are a profit-oriented person, then think practically rather than emotionally. We need to analyze first. Through such investments, we must gain some returns, otherwise that will not be a profitable investment. Following points will help us to analyze these types of investments wisely. First, always provide a loan against mortgage or assets like jewelry, etc. This will help us to recover our losses when the borrower fails to repay the loan amount. Second, earning capacity of a borrower also matters a lot. If we lend money to someone who doesn't have a constant source of income, he will not be able to pay your money, so always consider this point. Third, purpose for which someone borrowed money and the skills are also important. Let's take an example. There is a man who wants to start a transport business and needs money to do so, but he doesn't have any proper knowledge of the business and transportation sector. Such people are unable to return our money. Hence always consider all these points to become a wise and successful investor. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't watched a previous video, then please do watch. We also recommend you to watch our next video. Don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you again next time to make your wise pursuer of your dreams.